Aaron here from the RadBoyz once again. It's the next morning. I was painting the pedals last night. Let me show you how those turned out, because if you recall correctly, I was talking about painting in the rain. They look pretty good to me. I don't see any raindrops or flaws, so I'm happy with those. And now I am about to do these cages. I've already been out here all morning, hard at her. I actually made some more of the templates for my cardboard boxes. Now I have single, double, triple, quad, and quintuplet. So 1 single, 1 stand, 2 stand, 3 stand, 4 stand, and 5 stand packaging. So I got to mark these. I'm going to put 20 inch times 1, 20 inch times 2, blah blah blah, so that they're labeled for easy locating. And then the other thing I did is I printed this. This I'm going to cut out carefully by hand, all of those letters, and I'm going to make a template for spray painting this label on the boxes. So at some point I'm going to throw this headgear on and I'm going to time lapse cutting that out, because that's going to be a cool video. But right now, quickly, I'm going to get these cages painted black. So I got to paint the cages black, finish the rad stand boxes, cut the stencil. Then I'm going to go get pricing for a 4 box and a 5 box of stands, just to find out what my maximum is. I got to check the mail. I got to message one of the members about a pic I need them to send me, and then I got to do a bunch of sharing and, you know, share videos and share pics and get it out there. So that's my plan for the day. I got to meet my boy at the bus later, so that's what I'm doing to keep myself busy until then. Like I said, I'm going to get this painting done. I'm not going to carry the camera around for that because it's pointless. I'm just going to get overspray all over the lens, so I'm going to put the camera down, I'm going to spray these, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Well, there's the finished product of those pedals. You can see there, fully restored, back to better than new condition, as usual. That's the way that we do things here in the RadBoyz shop. So those look mint. Mint. Absolutely mint, and they match everything else on the build because black grips, black seat, black and red now pedals, black tires. Oh my god, this thing is gonna be glorious. Here's my bunny friend Peter. Hey Peter, what's up Peter? So, pretty simple. Let's just go over the tools I used. So I used the socket set for reinstalling the axle along with the 5/8 wrench. Used the paintbrush and grease for greasing up the races beforehand. Dropped all the bearings in, reassembled everything, tightened everything with the socket and wrench, and then finally used the screwdriver for the cages. That's about it. So yeah, cleaned all the parts with bar salt beforehand, sandblasted the cages, painted the bodies, painted the cages, cleaned up all the little gut pieces, re-greased, reassembled, and there you have it. Brand new set of pedals, ready to go. Like, better than new. You don't get pedals with a paint job like that from any factory. Look at those. Beautiful. So I just got to clean up this mess and I'm done with this. I'm going to get the mail.